Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a captivating phenomenon that lit up the skies and caught the attention of many, the dashcam video of a green fireball streaking across the morning sky. Now, this isn't just any ordinary meteor, it's a brilliant reminder of the wonders that happen above us every day, often going unnoticed. So, let's explore what makes this event so fascinating and why it's more than just a bright streak in the sky. First things first, let's talk about what a fireball is. In simple terms, a fireball is a meteor that's exceptionally bright and visible from the ground. The Oregon Museum of Science and Industry explains that these bright meteors can be seen up to 80 miles above the Earth, and they often leave a lasting impression on those who witness them. Now, imagine seeing a brilliant green streak across the sky at dawn. It's like nature's own light show, and it's no wonder Jason Jenkins was left in awe. What makes this particular fireball so intriguing is the color. Green fireballs, like the one Jenkins captured, are often due to the presence of magnesium. When heated and vaporized in the Earth's atmosphere, magnesium emits a bright blue-green light. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Nickel can also contribute to this green hue. So, what we are looking at is a cosmic display of elements interacting in a way that's both beautiful and scientifically significant. Now, let's zoom out a bit and consider the bigger picture. The increasing number of dashcams and doorbells with cameras has led to more people capturing and reporting these celestial events. This is a double-edged sword, as it means we have more data to study and understand these phenomena, but it also means that we are more likely to witness these rare occurrences. It's like having a front-row seat to a cosmic show, and it's a privilege that many people are now experiencing. But what does this mean for us? Well, for one, it raises the question of what else is out there, waiting to be discovered. The fact that these fireballs are so rare and often hard to locate adds an air of mystery. As Jim Todd, the museum's director of space science education, points out, even if a fireball survives its journey through the atmosphere, it often looks like a common rock, making it nearly impossible to find unless it hits a house or leaves debris behind. So, it's like a cosmic treasure hunt, and we are all part of the adventure. Now, personally, I think this event is a powerful reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, but moments like these can ground us in the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. They remind us that there's more to the world than meets the eye, and they inspire us to look up and explore the mysteries above. So, the next time you see a bright streak in the sky, take a moment to appreciate the magic happening above. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to capture the next great fireball on dashcam video. Until then, keep looking up and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.